Ever wondered how to control any room without saying much? Imagine reading people like an open book, understanding their weaknesses, and subtly steering them where you want. My methods aren't about brute force or loud commands. They're about precision. Every move calculated, every word intentional. If you've ever wanted to master manipulation without exposing yourself, stay with me. Every person wants something. Recognition, security, power. Find what they crave, and you have a key to influence them. Watch how they talk, their tone, and the words they emphasize. These are breadcrumbs to their inner world. You can't manipulate people if they don't trust you. Create a persona that feels approachable but not invasive. Smile when necessary, nod thoughtfully, and mirror their emotions subtly. People will lower their guard without realizing it. Silence isn't empty, it's powerful. When someone expects a reaction, staying quiet forces them to fill the void. In their scramble to explain or justify, they often reveal more than they intended. Learn to be comfortable with pauses. Telling someone what to do triggers resistance. Instead, frame your ideas as their own. Don't you think this would work better? Or wouldn't it be interesting if? Lead them to conclusions they believe are theirs. Power dynamics in groups are goldmines for influence. Observe who speaks the most, who listens attentively, and who gets ignored. Position yourself between the dominant and submissive personalities to become indispensable. Do something small for someone. Offer help, share advice, or even just listen. Most people feel compelled to repay favors, creating a subtle obligation that you can call upon when you need them. Never reveal too much. Keep your answers vague but thoughtful. The less people know about you, the more they'll fill in the blanks with assumptions, often seeing you as more competent or intriguing than you are. Kindness lowers defenses. Even when manipulating, remain polite and considerate. This creates a dissonance where people struggle to see you as a threat. Use it to get closer without suspicion. Everyone has emotional buttons that can be pushed. Anger, fear, or even joy. Find out what provokes a reaction. Use this knowledge carefully, only when the timing is perfect to sway their decisions. Offer value that they can't find elsewhere. Advice, connections, or solutions to their problems. The more they rely on you, the harder it becomes for them to turn against you or see your moves. When cornered, people resist. Always leave them an escape route, even if it's only symbolic. This keeps them cooperative without realizing they've been manipulated. Never let people see the big picture of your plans. Keep your objectives fragmented and scattered. If they don't know your destination, they can't block your path. Genuine compliments disarm skepticism. Make them specific and tied to something unique about the person. Your perspective on this is impressive, is far more effective than generic flattery. When you sense suspicion, distract them. Bring up a shared interest or shift to a lighthearted topic. Redirection diffuses tension and keeps people from probing too deeply into your motives. True manipulation isn't about quick wins. It's about planting seeds for future harvests. Stay patient. A small move today could pay off in weeks, months, or even years. To manipulate others, you must master your own emotions and reactions. If you're too transparent or reactive, you'll lose control of the narrative. Learn to mask your feelings effortlessly. Manipulation isn't always about advancing. Sometimes retreating is the smartest move. If the risk of exposure is high, pull back, reassess, and reposition yourself for another opportunity. Form partnerships with individuals who share your goals but don't reveal the extent of your plans. Use their influence and resources to amplify your own without drawing attention. Not everyone will get you, and that's fine. Misunderstanding creates mystery, and mystery keeps people guessing. The less predictable you are, the harder you are to control. Every manipulation has a life cycle. Know when to end it gracefully, leaving no loose ends. If someone feels used, your reputation can crumble. Leave them feeling satisfied, even if they never realize you orchestrated everything. Every move, every silence, every smile, it's all part of the strategy. By staying 3 steps ahead, you remain unpredictable, untouchable, and unstoppable. Remember, control the narrative, and you control the game. Be elite. Stay elite.